60th anniversary is a great achievement, but more important to us is how we got here and what we achieved along the way. We achieved this great height through the hard work, dedication, and teamwork of all of you at Team Minconsult, and I thank you for that. I'm also very grateful to all of you, our clients and friends of Minconsult, to help us achieve to where we are today. But ladies and gentlemen, this is only the beginning. The best is yet to come. We have set global benchmarks in Malaysia, and internationally we've also stamped ourselves.